Hello YouTube, this is Joel from DreamVR, and I bet there are a lot of Mac users out there who want to take their OBS files and use it on iMovie or Final Cut Pro. But your OBS files turn into an MKV. So how the crap do you use that on Final Cut Pro? Because Final Cut Pro looks at MKV files, which is basically just a container file, and says, what the crap is this? And it can't do anything with it. So here's the answer. First, you're going to open OBS. OBS is already running. Unless you meant to do this, please shut down. Okay, open OBS. And okay, here's another OBS in my OBS. All right, so in OBS, we're going to go to File, and we're going to, let's just get rid of that. Okay, so first, to find your recordings, go to Show Recordings. And I have them all in the OBS file system here. And this is an MKV file. You can see MKV video file VLC. Now you're going to need VLC player to do what I'm going to do next. So open up VLC player. And whoops, that's the one I'm creating right now. Open up VLC player. And you actually can just open up VLC player with anything, because now we need to go to convert and save. So we go to media, convert, save, and we're going to convert this MKV file into something that Final Cut Pro can read. So let's take a shorter file like this and drag and drop over to this box. It says this MKV. Okay, we're going to convert this to MP4, which Final Cut Pro can read. So choose a place on your computer. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And I'm going to call it sample recording. Okay, and then start. And then press play. For some reason, you have to press play. Now I've output my MKV file to an MP4. So it has video and audio. But something weird I learned about MP4 is it's also a container file. And when I put it in Final Cut Pro could not read the audio in the MP4 file. So we're going to output this as an MP3 file as well. So convert, save. It remembers what I just told it to convert, so I don't need to drag and drop it again. So I'm going to go convert, save again, and I'm going to export an MP3 to the same place. So sample recording, this time I'm going to title it audio. Save, okay, start, and press play. What? Oh, it did it so fast that I didn't even see it doing it. Okay, so see, I have sample recording audio and sample recording here on my desktop. Now I can put these on a USB and transfer them to my Mac, and Final Cut Pro can read them. So I will show you that on my Mac. Goodbye, OBS. See you over on the Mac. Well, hello there again. So now take all of these video and audio files that you've just converted from VLC player and put on your USB and stick that USB into your Mac, and then put them all in that file where you keep your video stuff organized, which for me is virtual reality. Okay. Oh, you can see my file system. Don't break it. Okay. And then you wait for your files to transfer from your slow USB to your MacBook. Then you open up Final Cut Pro, and what do you know? Now I can mix together a video file and an MP3 file from OBS, because it's no longer an MKV. Wasn't that easy? Come on, Final Cut. Open up. Show the people. Show the people what you can do. Show them. Final Cut. What are you doing? Why are you waiting so long? There you go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Final Cut was just was just thinking. Needed some thinking time. Okay. So you go to your library and you make your video. File. New. Event. How to use OBS, MKV, and Final Cut. Create new project. And here we go. Now you got to title your project. How to use OBS, MKV, and Final Cut. There we go. Now I can put that beautiful file in there. See, there's my audio. There's my video. They're already synced because they were from the same container file, and boom, there you go. There's me and Climby. Woohoo! Now you too can take your OBS files and put them into Final Cut Pro. If you like this content, click subscribe. And if you want to see this video, check it out in the end card. Yeah, go watch the video because it's cool. All right, see you later. This is Joel from Dream VR. Ow.